Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vlog with Amina. Before we start the video, like, subscribe, share and comment to my channel. Today we're going to make a donut. With me I have eggs, milk, sugar, salt and oil. In a bowl, pour 1 cup of warm milk, 3 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon of yeast. Mix very well and then add 2 eggs. Keep mixing. After mixing, add 3 cups of flour. Now we're going to knead the dough. You knead your dough until it's soft and nice. Then cover it up for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now we're going to shape our dough into a donut. Divide the dough into 4 equal sizes. Now that our donuts are ready, we're going to fry them in a hot pan of oil. Fry them in medium heat until well cooked. Guys, our donuts are ready. You can add your favorite toppings. I have added icing, sugar and condensed milk. If you don't know how to make condensed milk, check on my channel. There I show you a tutorial on how to make condensed milk. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment to my channel. Enjoy. Bye.